In order to get an interview, you have to meet the technical requirements. A lot of times in a job posting, they'll put a bunch of technical requirements. They'll put more than they actually require. It'll be stricter than what they're really looking for. They will accept somebody with less than what they're saying they want if that person is super likable and has all the other soft skills. So if you meet the technical requirements, they'll give you an interview. When you get to the interview, as I say, make sure you communicate to them that you have all the technical things they're looking for. A lot of times you have incompetent people at the other end that haven't done preparation. So they won't know who you are when you show up for your interview. They won't have reviewed your resume right before the interview. That's very common. So you have to sort of explain to them that you have everything in the interview. Then, beyond that, you need to communicate that you have a bunch of soft skills. Things like you're professional, you're polite, you don't have any issues with your attitude. You don't come there all mad. You don't come there all nervous, like really, really nervous, where you can barely talk, things like this. You can't act all weird and in a way that they wouldn't want to work with somebody that acts like that. Try to be likable. The better you are at speaking, that helps. We get better at speaking by practicing. And if you are prepared to answer all the standard job interview questions and you've rehearsed quite a bit, that helps too.